Jai Gurudev student, as we have completed first and second lesson. So now we will start the fourth lesson, quadratic equation. In second lesson we have learned about the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c whose degree of the variable is the highest degree is 2, then it is called as a quadratic polynomial. And when quadratic polynomial we are going to equate with the 0, it becomes a quadratic equation. So we will see what is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real number. Real means it is rational and irrational. Why they had given the condition that is a is not equal to 0? Because if you will substitute in this equation a is equal to 0, then we get the equation bx plus c is equal to 0, and this is a linear equation. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. The general or the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Now we will start the exercise 4.1. Check whether the following are the quadratic equation. They had given one of the equation, and for the quadratic equation we want right hand side is equal to 0. Here in this equation it is not fine, and the power of x we want the 2, that is degree of the polynomial. That's why we have to solve this equation. In the first equation, in the first problem, we had to use a plus b whole square, that is first identity, x square plus 2 into first term plus first second term square is equal to, now we will multiply this bracket by 2. 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 3 is a 6. Now we want right hand side is 0, that's why whatever right hand side term is there we will shift to left hand side. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x minus 2x is going to cancel. We will get x square plus 7 is equal to 0. You will think here the middle term is not there, that is a x term, but we can write that this equation as a x square plus 0x plus 7 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x is 0, which is a real number. Hence the given equation is a quadratic equation. Second, x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Same way we have to solve. X square minus 2 already it is solved, which is equal to minus 2. We are going to multiply by these bracket. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus into minus is a plus. 2 into x is a 2x. Now right hand side we want 0, that's why whatever the terms on the right hand side we will shift to left hand side. X square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. We will get here as x square minus 2x is minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Is it this is a quadratic equation? Yes, the power of a variable is a 2. That's why hence the given equation is a quadratic equation. Third problem, in the left hand side we are having the multiplication of a 2 bracket, x minus 2 x plus 1. In the right hand side x minus 1 x plus 3. Now we will solve the bracket. We will multiply here this bracket by x into x plus 1, then by minus 2 x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. Here we can use the fourth identity also here, a plus b x plus a into x plus b, but here we had multiplied by the brackets. Okay, so x into x is a x square, x into 1 is a x minus 2 into x is a 2x, minus 2 into 1 is a minus 2. Here again x into x is x square plus 3x, minus 1 into x is minus x, and minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3. So what we will do, x square 1x minus 2x means minus x, minus 2 is equal to x square 3x minus x is nothing but plus 2x minus 3. Now whatever right hand side term we will shift to the left. So sign is going to be a change. x square minus x minus 2 minus x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square will cancel. Minus x minus 2x will become a minus 3x. Okay, and minus 2 plus 3 will become as a 1, which is equal to 0. Here you are finding there is no term of x square. But if you are thinking we can write 0x square, so it is not so. That's why here this is a linear equation, not a quadratic. Hence the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Next problem, fourth. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Again, same way we have to solve the bracket. We will multiply second bracket with the x and minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Here x into x is x square, x into plus 5 is a 5x. Now x into 2x is a 2x square plus x into 1 is x minus 6x and minus 3, which is equal to x square plus 5x. 2x square, 1x minus 6x is nothing but minus 5x. Minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now right hand side we want 0. So whatever the terms on the right hand side we will shift to the left hand side. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. 2x square minus 1x square is nothing but x square. Minus 5x is minus 10x and minus 3, which is equal to 0, which is in the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c. Hence the given equation is a quadratic equation. Fifth, 2x minus 1 in the first bracket multiply by x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 in the second bracket x minus 1. So again we will solve the bracket. We will multiply 2x by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 3 is equal to x into x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1. 2x into x is a 2x square minus 2x into 3 is a minus 6x, minus 1 into x is a minus x, minus into minus is a plus, so plus 3 is equal to x into x is x square, x into minus 1 is minus x, plus 5 into x is a plus 5x, plus 5 into minus 1 is a minus 5. 2x square minus 6x minus 1x is nothing but minus 7x plus 3. X square minus 1x plus 5x is plus 4x minus 5. Whatever right hand side term we will shift to left hand. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 1x square x square minus 7x minus 4x minus 11x plus 3 plus 5 is nothing but plus 8 is equal to 0. Again this is in a standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. That's why the given equation is a quadratic equation. Sixth problem, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square, and here we have to use the second identity a minus b whole square. Left hand side already solved, there is no bracket and nothing is there. So we have to solve only the right hand side, that is using the second identity. First term square x square, middle term is a minus 2 into first term into second term means minus 4x. Then third term is plus, second term square means minus 2 square is a plus 4. Now these term we will shift to the left. X square plus 3x plus 1. This will be minus x square. Minus will be plus 4x and plus 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. X square cancel. We will get 3x plus 4x is 7x. And plus 1 minus 4 means minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here no term of x square, and that's why here this is a linear equation which is not in the form. This is a linear equation. This is not a quadratic equation because it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Seventh, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. X plus 2 whole square means here we have to use the first identity a plus b whole square. That is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x into x square is 2x cube minus 2x into 1 is a minus 2x. We will shift right hand side term to the left. X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Now which is the highest term? highest power, that is 2x cube. So we will write first minus 2x cube, then x square alone plus x square, then here plus 4x plus 2x plus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here that is the degree of this polynomial is a 3. We want the degree of the polynomial is a 2, means quadratic. That's why hence it is not a quadratic equation, because it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Last problem, that is 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Here we have to left hand side is already solved. Right hand side we have to solve using the identity a minus b whole cube. What is that identity? A cube minus 3 first term square into second term plus 3 into first term and second term square minus b cube. Okay, this identity we have to use here. So left hand side as it is we will write is equal to right hand side. What is first term? X. What is second term? Minus 2. So first term means x cube minus 3 into first term square means x square into 2 plus 3 into first term means x, and minus 2 square means 4 minus 2 cube, that is nothing but we will get 8. So what we will get, this expansion of this identity, x cube minus 6x square plus 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12x minus 8. Now whatever the term to the right hand side we will shift to the left, that is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 as it is. This we will shift to left, then minus x cube, minus will become a plus 6x square, plus will become minus 12x, and minus is a plus 8 is equal to 0. X cube minus x cube will cancel. Minus 4x square plus 6x square is nothing but 2x square. Minus x minus 12x is nothing but minus 13x, and 1 plus 8 is nothing but 9, which is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. That's why the given equation is a quadratic equation.